Before the winter season ends in India, I love capturing the essence of fresh strawberries in homemade jam format. I start by selecting ripest, juiciest, about 500 grams of strawberries, just so luscious. Wash them thoroughly with some baking soda added to the water. That takes care of the impurities, germs, and pesticides that might be present in the strawberries. Then, after washing and hulling them, I chop the strawberries into small little cubes. I place the strawberries then in a saucepan and start cooking them. Mind you, this recipe is without any preservative, any artificial flavor, color, pectin added to it. After cooking this down for about 10 to 12 minutes, when the strawberries release all their juices, the strawberries absolutely breaks down and releases their flavor. Thereafter, I add about 200 grams of sugar and cook it down for another 10 to 15 minutes till it's absolutely jammy. After that, I squeeze some lime juice to balance the sweetness and enhance the flavors. The result? Well, the result is a luscious strawberry jam that is completely preservative free. Once it's done, I carefully pour it in a sterilized jar, and there you go. Your winter favorite can easily be enjoyed in your summer months. This bottle can last in your fridge for months together, but I promise you it won't last that long because you are going to finish it in one go. This yummy treat can be enjoyed in several ways. Swirl into yogurt, or a delightful topping for ice cream, or simply smother over your breakfast toast. The options are many. It's indeed a simple way to keep the taste of fresh strawberries alive throughout the year. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's delicious.